Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are safe and fine. I am Payal Maniar, your junior KG teacher. Kids, today we are going to learn J, a letter J. See students, this is small letter J, lowercase j. And this is a capital J we have learnt before. J for joker. Let me tell you how to write capital J. First of all, standing line from up to down and then curve line. Down side to up. And then small sleeping line from left to right upper side. Children, this is small j. We can say it a baby j, lowercase j. Up to down, standing line, then down side, small curve line coming upside, and then a small dot upper side. This is your small j, children. J for joker, capital J for joker, and this is a small j for joker. Both sound same, joker. Capital J for jacket, and the small j for jacket. Children, both sound same, jacket. Capital J for jelly, and this is small j for jelly. Both sound same, jelly. J for juice. This is capital J for juice. And this is small j for juice. Both sounds same, juice. Understood, children? Now see capital J for jam. And small j for jam. Both sounds jam. Capital J is for jet. And small j for jet. Sound same, jet, airplane. Capital J for jug. And this is small j for jug. Both sound same, jug. Understood, children? Capital J and small j both sounds jaw. Ja, ja, jaw. Understood, children? J for joker. Now you understood capital and small j. Understood, children? Okay. I have sent a worksheet with this and you have to submit it on WhatsApp or you can send it to email. Okay, children? Thank you for watching this video. See you next video. Bye bye. Have a nice time.